Is there a
Can I-
particular one you like or not? Not for me. I'm just paying.
Can I take the Ganmere M Red UV, please?
So he wants one of these?
Yeah, the red one.
Okay.
Why don't you hop behind
Okay, so
that
I-
fan lined up?
Okay.
Anything else you'd like?
No. Not for now, at least.
You sign mine.
All right. That cube, yes.
Right here, all right. We're getting set up here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is the one that Cameron's wearing is from the event.
Yes,
You have
the event.
that and a large. Okay, all right. You came the farthest?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean this? So it's $28
We're from Idaho.
out of 40.
Okay.
You actually saw
Thank you.
very well. I think it's turnable. I can never.
Thank you. Woo! Got the cube. Let's go. Unboxing time. Let's go. Okay. All right, guys. We're currently at the Vegas competition. I just bought something from SpeedCube Shop. Oh yeah. Could have just used a discount. Gosh darn it. However, we do have this beautiful Ganmere M. This is the red edition. Let's open it up. I bet GAN is gonna follow the same theme what Apple did. They're gonna get rid of all this plastic and then you can just tab it open. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yellow parody isn't so bad.
Alright, let's open this up. And here we go. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh. Whoa. That is beautiful. And basically went over the entire accessory scene through the other one. Anyway, let's get to unboxing this amazing product here.
Also, do you want to?
Alright, here we go. The case opens like this. And there's plastic. Stick. Listen to this. Us ASMR. Alright, this is the cube I got. It's really nice. First turns. 3, 2, 1.
Why does this handle like corner pins? Like math.
This was definitely worth it.
This handle looks like corner pins on that.
It is really, really cool. Like, God is like really good corner cutting. I mean,
Look how many cubes he has.
reverse corner cutting is really good. Let's try a J firm.
7x7.
Not too different from my original mirror cube, which is the purple. I have to say the red looks cooler though. Anyway, I'm actually gonna buy something else very quickly. Alright, I just got
Is this your bag too?
yes.
Why do you have 2 bags?
I have no idea. But anyways, Mom, you can't be interfering with my package box. So what I got was this. This is the SpeedCube Shop Love Mats. Change the scene, everyone. Alright. And the best part now, I got the Love Cube. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh.
All right, so now we're going to start with square one. If you are in square one, group one, please bring up your song square one. That's square one, group one.
Did 2x2 happen?
If you are helping staff.
Alright,
square one,
first
group
turns
one.
on this cube. 3, 2, 1, go. It's garbage, but it does. I like the design, but it looks really nice. It has not good corner cutting though, to be honest. I think this set needs a little bit of love here. Oh yeah, it's a dollar store cube. Alright. Okay, that's a lot better. So thank you for watching this quick unboxing. I'll see you next time.